Alright, we got the 400 Pontiac block set up on the Van Norman 570 broach. Don't know if you can see it, but we have long feeler gauges in each corner of the deck of the block. Okay, that one clears. That one clears beautiful. So there's this one, but this corner is just a little bit friction, but not too bad. Check my level here, and it is dead plumb across the mains, with the broach is also dead flat across the ways. Rotate this here. Okay, both ways on the level is showing it's level this way. Now, let's check our side to side. So the fixture plate comes in. A little bit big to be using this level on it, but it does fit. That way shows dead on level. And then we rotate to double check ourselves. And that way it comes on perfectly level. So now we know that the block is definitely leveled out, squared and true. And since we know the broach is fully level, then from that point we can just go to sheer curiosity to take the initial feeler gauges out, which are 15 thousandths in thickness. Set them aside and let's grab a 17. Fits with a good amount of friction. Take 17 on that corner. Fits on this corner without any friction. And fits on that corner with absolutely no friction. So that just goes to show you how far out this block is. We already cut this one deck right here. So let's cut the other one. Over to this side of the block, just at the edge, turn it on, slowly raise the curve. Alright, we're hitting at 12. Let's cut it back to 0. All the way to the other end of the deck. Should open it up there. And let's bring it up slowly again. See how far out we are from side to side. See where she touches. We'll cheat this a little bit here. See the dip? Just catch that little corner that was broken. Starting point is going to be barely touched the curb.